In this video, we are going to install Visual Studio 2022, the version community, that it is free and you can use it to create different apps. I will go to Google and I will put here Visual Studio only. And this is the official site. I will scroll a little down and here we have two different platforms. In one side we have Visual Studio, that it is only for Windows. And we have also three different versions. The version professional and enterprise you need to pay, but you have 1 month for free. And the version community is the version that we are going to install. And in the other side we have Visual Studio Code, that it is multi-platforms and we can use it for Windows, Mac or Linux. Okay. In our case, I will download this version, community. Here we have the installer. We need to wait here. I will open. It is super easy the install. I will click here in continue. And then okay. Here we have different options. For example, in my case, I want to create only create web apps. This is the option that I want to install. But you have, if you want to install, if you want to create another things, for example, mobile apps or desktop or gaming or another things, you need to select other options. And here also you have another, if you want to install different things within this package, you can select here. Okay, and another interesting thing is here we have the tab language packs. And here, for example, if you are from French, you can install Visual Studio for French or Spanish and so on. In my case, I want to install Visual Studio in English, and I will click here in install, and we need to wait a little to the Okay, now that the install was finished, we are opening the Visual Studio and we are going to create a simple app in order to see if everything is working properly. Here in this screen, they ask us if we want to log in. In my case, I will put skip this for now. And here you can put different colors. In my case, I like this dark. And okay. Okay, and here we have Visual Studio. If you want to create a new project, you can click here, create a new project. Here we need to choose which type of application we want to create. In my case, I will put ASP Core Web API. I will click here in next. Here we have which is the location. Acá, here we can put the name. Next, this is the framework 8.0. I will put create, yes. It is taking a little time. I don't know if it is for because this is the first time, but it is a little slow this time. And here we have the project. Here we have the controllers. We have one class. We have the file programs. And if you want to execute the program, we can click here or here. The first time takes more time. Then when you click here in continue, it is faster. And here we have Swagger. We have one endpoint that is it is get. And here, if we click here in try to out and execute, we can see here that we get the data. If you like the video, if you think that it was useful, don't forget to subscribe to the channels, like the video, and ring the bell to stay in the loop.